We are at 910 subscribers. I need you to subscribe right now. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Subscribe right now, please. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing an ASMR video. Whispering your guys' names, or whispering my subscribers' names. It will be really fun. I'll make a community post for you guys to comment your names down. And yeah, so we gotta get to 1,000 subs soon. Let's go. Wow, that gained me like 200 or 300 points. Dang it. Oh wait, never mind, I still have this. But no, there's nothing I can do. Damn it. Oh well, we almost got 1,000. Almost got 1,000 points. By the way, if you guys are enjoying the Valorant videos, if you guys are enjoying those, make sure to, let me know. Dang it, okay. Because I want to get some feedback to know if I should keep on uploading them or not. Okay, come on, this is the one. This is the one where I beat my high score, come on. We just gotta believe. Let's go 1,000. Oh no. Sorry, I'm not speaking. I'm just logged in. There's no way I'm gonna die after saying that. Oh my god. Well, I guess it's not really dying, is it? It's just losing. There's no dying in this game. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe. Remember, 1,000 subscribers. Whispering your guys' names. And also, I'm thinking of making I am thinking of making